Magic Modular System. Hello! Now I'd like to introduce a new magnetic modular system. Let's check out the construction of Magic Modular System first. It basically consists of base with magnet and track on the top. This can be attached to any place where is a magnet or a metal plate surface. This has also the track, which can be assembled any accessories with track system in it. Here is an example. By assembling a whistle on track of Magic Modular System, your sternum system has a whistle on it. Magic short, Magic clip, or any Magic sternum series with Magic Modular System can be your sternum. Also, it could be placed on webbing with Magic webbing clip. As you see many examples, it can be effectively assembled for your desired function.
If you are interested in this new buckle and have any question, please email to below address. And also visit Woojin website. You can find more variety option from it. As always, Woojin buckle will fuel your desire to create better products.